new updates on time farm. If you are farming time or you haven't been start farming this particular airdrop, so kindly hit on the link in the description of this video to get started. And as you're watching, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I share a video with you right here on my Telegram channel or on my YouTube, depending on where you are watching from. So right, we are going to go into this video in details. Let's go, guys. So what you have to do first at first, you have to click on the time farm and open the app as usual. Those that have already signed up on this project know how it work. So quickly click on open app. Then click on open app. I've clicked on it before, but this is currently my banners, and I can tell you that this is not my main banners. I'm currently taking my banners for better reward. That's why this video is all about. So what you have to do, I'm going to share with you how to stake your time farm to get a better reward. Currently, I've staked some certain amounts of time farm of time, and this is just my banners I claimed today. So this is my dashboard. If you can, as you can see, this is my dashboard. This home task. You see, these are some certain tasks that I have not completed. So if you are seeing all of these tasks in your farm in your time farm app, kindly try and complete them because I will be contributing my when I have chance to do so. So you can see these are list of my friends that I invited. So far there are only 12 of them being active currently. So these are the activities are going on time farm. So you can just scroll what that not does not matters. What you are going here today for is how to stake your time farm. So if you are watching this video once again, don't forget to subscribe. Hit on subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I share a video with you right here on my channel. So do well and subscribe. So this is the last part. You can see click on in. You can see from this in section, you can see staking, oracle of time, store, and many more if possible. Yours shows more than this. So what you are going to click on is to click on stake, because this video is basically on for the staking. So click on staking. So once you click on staking, it will show up. As you can see, I'm currently staking 10 million time farm to earn 1 million. As you can see, that just it. And you can see, so if you want to stake some more, you click on stake, click the duration of the date you want to stake it up to. So you click on, let me say I want to stake about that. I have about 300 plus 200,000 plus time farm tokens in my banners, right? So I'm going to stake those amounts for 15 days. So basically I'll click on this 15 days. So once I click on the 15 days, it will load up. I click on continue, then I'll click on maximum. So I'm having 395,600 tokens to stake. So I'm going to stake everything because I don't have anything to do with it, just for 15 days. So I'll click on stake. So for this period of 15 days, I'll be earning 39,560 pieces as a reward for the 15 days. So I'm going to click on stake, and it is done. You're seeing it, I've staked some certain amount for this period of time. And if I have any amount on my banners again, I'll still keep on staking for better reward, for a double reward till this particular airdrop get launched. So if you're watching this video, subscribe and make sure you do so to double your rewards on time farm. Don't fade on this airdrop. Don't fade on this airdrop.